Hey guys, Ghost Nights Dorset Paranormal here. There was two parts to this video. This is the second part you're about to watch. The first part was me with my camcorder. There'll be some things that might sound the same, but there's a few things. It's actually all different videos and different angles. And sorry that we recorded the floor most of the time. With Ghost Tube, you can't really record straight ahead or down below, because if you do, people get in camera, and you need people's permission to let them be on camera. So this is part two to the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and please comment below on what other ideas we have, and also comment below if you hear anything that we didn't hear. See you later, guys.
So, is anybody here in the Bowling Green bowling alley lane in Poole? If so, say hi. We're not going to hurt you. We're a small family team. Ghost Night Dorset Paranormal, and he is posing with one of our t-shirts.
If you would like one, please comment below.
Yes, do comment below and let us know.
And Kay's also got one she's wearing with the front.
Yeah, it's got
It's
a ghost.
dark, but yeah.
I've got a ghost on the front, and I have Ghost Night Dorset Paranormal on the back, written in white. So we're just going to sit here and
5 minutes, 10 minutes.
5-10 minutes. We know that
Only for you.
only for you. It's got only for you.
Alright.
Say hi, because I have
Damaged.
to get damaged. You're damaged. What happened? How did you get damaged? Bad.
Please leave.
Doesn't like you.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Huh?
Hammer.
Okay.
Remember, I got only you, damaged, hammer.
So they might have got damage with the hammer.
Yeah. So they might have got damaged with the hammer. That. I know it's only early, but I do know ghosts come out during the day. Some visit me as well at my place.
Be careful.
Be careful. Why do I need to be careful? What's going to happen?
Gate.
Gate.
There is a gate back there.
Yeah, there is a gate back there. Or was there a gate there at once upon a time?
Lawrence.
Lawrence. Who's Lawrence? Tell me about Lawrence. Did Lawrence damage you? Was it Lawrence that hurt you? Or is it a Lawrence that lives here?
Stroke.
Oh, Lawrence, did Lawrence have a stroke? She said Lawrence and then a stroke.
Cold as well.
Oh yeah, it is coming up for 9:30. So busy. How do you spirits even get any peace with the amount of people that are walking through your home?
Please leave.
Yeah, I'm leaving, honey. I'm leaving. Don't worry. We're leaving.